How to combine PDF file for free. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best methods. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let me start with the video. Okay guys, we are here. This is my browser. So here I'm going to show you the two method which is completely free, so you can follow the steps and you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so first method, we need to use Google Drive and Google Docs. So just log in with your email ID, Gmail email ID. Okay, and now just go to this app option, Google app option, and we need to go into Google Drive. Just tap onto Google Drive. Google Drive will be open, and as you know, this is a Google Drive app from Google, and here you can store your files, folders, and you can also create the files like Google Docs, Google Sheet, and other form and slides. Okay, so here what we can do for combine PDF, we need to upload that PDF first. Go to the new, go to the file upload. Here you have to locate your files. So I have 4 files here, you can see PDF files. So you can select the all like this. After you select, just you can simply press the control key of your keyboard, hold it and select one by one. Okay, and just open it. So it will be start uploading. In my case, I have already uploaded it, so I just upload again. So it is start uploading here. It takes only few seconds. Yeah, it's uploaded now. Now we need to refresh your Google Drive. Okay, refresh our Google Drive. Now you can find your all PDF at top, or you can go to the type file and just filter for PDF only. So you can see only your all PDF file here, and you can see the all your recent file here. Now what you need to do, you have to open one by one. So open your first file. So I want to make it first, so I just open it first. So just right click on it, open with Google Docs, and same as you have to open others same way. Okay, this is PDF 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so this is main PDF. Okay, here you can manage your margin. Go to the file, go to the page setup. Here you can manage the margin, top and bottom. Top for 0.5, you can also make bottom for 0.5. okay, for left 0.1, and right also you need to make 0.1, and okay. So now what you need to do, just come to the your first file PDF and come to the down and just keep the cursor here, and now just go to the second PDF, select the all contain. Okay, you have to just click control plus A, then all it will be select all contain, then hit the control plus C, it will be copy all your contain. Now you have to paste here by hitting control plus V. Okay, same as you have to do with others. Copy it, paste it, copy it and paste it. You can see all PDF file has been inserted here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can manage your margin and all. In my case, it look proper. Okay, you can customize as per your requirement. After you done everything, just go to the file, go to the download and download as a PDF. So it will be download as a PDF. You can see this all files, PDF file has been combined, and it is absolutely free, guys. Okay, the second method, you can use the online source, like come to the any search engine. I just go to the Google and type for PDF editor. So nowadays there is a lot of source that you can use free, so I personally use this. Okay, so I just open it, you can see, and go to the merge option under the this web, and now go to the upload PDF. Same, you need to select all PDF by clicking control key and hold it and select. Now just open all PDF here. Just make sure you go to the page view. It will be view your all page from each PDF file. Now you can reorder it by name, A to Z or Z to A, or you can simply drag the pages like this to manage your orders, number orders. Okay, after you're done, just go to the merge PDF. It will merge all your page in one. Now it's download. You can see it is perfectly work, but some pages has this blank space, so it won't be it is not managed here. Here you can go to the edit and you can edit from here as I show you in Google Docs. Okay, but here it will be more difficult, so I suggest you use the Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.